Yeah, Siemens is a very big global company, so we have a lot of suppliers in different areas of the world, and to handle that, it's a challenge.
Design is about proportions, and one aspect which has a big influence on proportions is color.
NCS gives us constant quality, high quality in these samples.
The transfer of knowledge from NCS to us, which gives the industrial design team a very strong position in actually implementing the colors in application.
They are great experts at NCS. We are working together if we have concrete topics and challenges. And since we are working with NCS, we have a clear, defined process.